Good day, my name is Lavirus Tagamatan and today I will shorthand and longhand the audio from Ma'am Valles. This is the audio.
Mr. Horace, the National Management Institute course is
Course is
one of the leading self-improvement courses being offered today to acquire self-confidence, period, over 10,000 have already given themselves self-confidence and new career direction. Period paragraph. Also, enclosed is a list of dates when our self-improvement course will be offered in locations near you. Period. Why not select a location, comma, and return the enclosed registration form in that self-addressed envelope. Period. Yours truly.
now we're gonna put this out and then we're gonna do the longhand. Dear Mr. Ay, tama ba? Dear Mr. Dear Mr. Morris. National Management Institute course is courses in wire is this self-confidence over 10,000 people have already given themselves self-confidence. And no career. Next na paragraph po natin, wait lang. Ito na po. Ito na. Also muna. Also enclosed is a list of dates when our When our self can be improvements, of course. When our self improvement, of course, will be offered. And in locations near you. Offered in locations near you. Period. Why and why not? Why not? STM. Select a location. Why not? Select a location. Tama. And RETN. Return the things. Return the enclosed or JE. Yes, enclosed registration and enclosed. Registration. Form in the ADRT address. Self address PD. Self address. Envelope. Address. Mali. Envelope. Ayun. Yours.
Ano po, i-dark ko lang po yung sulat.